A new study shows more often than not, probably one of your New Year's resolutions was to lose weight. So now's the time to kind of check yourself. How's it going?
If it's not going too well, it may not be your fault. We're talking to two pros who say one of your biggest mistakes may be weighing yourself. What's the first thing you do when someone tells you to step on a scale? If you're anything like most of the people I know, you try to take off any and everything that might add an extra ounce. Because every little bit counts, right?
I'm not saying that nobody should ever use a scale. And honestly, we do use them for our diets. It's not that we don't use them. But I think what I'm trying to express is that people shouldn't be fixated with the scale.
Author Teresa DePasquale is making it her mission to get people to ditch the scale.
You could be shrinking in size and not change weight.
Fact is, you could even be gaining weight, but losing inches. And the conversation is trending right now on social media. Hashtag gaining weight is cool, showing women and men on their fitness journeys.
Don't even say it, I know.
So this notion the scale is the only measure of your health seems to be rubbish. And we talked to a doctor who agrees.
It really doesn't take into consideration the body frame size, body fat, muscle mass, visceral body fat, which is belly fat, and those things are really important for health.
Since I started Weight Watchers, I've lost over 40 pounds.
We are so proud of you, Oprah, but numbers in many cases can be deceptive. Dr. Stacey Robinson says there are 28 markers she uses with patients in her wellness program.
Starting your in-body test.
But what do you do if you don't have the extra cash to get a wellness program with a doctor or for one of these really expensive body mass composition thingamajigs?
Two really good markers are, one, how your clothes fit, because that does indicate if you're gaining muscle, which is more dense, and losing fat, which is less dense, your clothes will fit better and you'll be more fit. The other thing you can do is measure your waist to hip circumference.
For a woman, that should be less than 0.72. For a man, less than 0.9. And if you're still convinced you have to use a scale, just make sure you take off your shoes. They usually weigh about 2 pounds. Both Teresa and Dr. Robinson have books on other ways to determine how healthy you are. More on their books on my Facebook page right now.